Hi guys, welcome to our drawing video. This one here, we're going to be drawing Gudetama, this character here, sitting in his eggshell, chilling out. Super fun, easy character to draw. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got our paper and we've got our markers, or we use markers, but you can use anything else to draw with, like pencil or crayon or whatever you like. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to draw a Gudetama, and he's sitting in a little egg shell, or half an egg shell. It's kind of like chilling out a little bit. So I think in the middle we're going to draw the outline of the top of the egg, the little jagged broken part. So we're just pretty much going to go up and then down, and we'll do that a few more times. You can make it all different I guess, shapes and sizes. Makes it look interesting. And we go like that. So we've got, it looks like you're drawing mountains there actually. So we've got going up and then down, up, down, and then up there. Alright, so we'll stop there. So on the side here, we're going to draw, he's kind of like hanging out. So he's going to have one arm out there. So we're going to draw an arm here. It's kind of like just a blob sort of shape, like that. You know, if you think of an egg, it's kind of very like jelly, blobby sort of thing. Alright, so and then on this side here, on the other side of the egg there, we're going to draw, he's going to have got his, I guess his two legs hanging out. So we're going to draw, again, it's kind of very blobby sort of shape. So we go like this. Because he's got an egg, well, he doesn't have an egg, he is an egg. There's not a lot of definition in his, you know, what his feet look like, so you can just do a little funny shape like that. And then we do another one just on the little bit behind it, a similar shape there. So he's kind of just got his legs and feet hanging out, he's chilling out a little bit. Alright, so now over here we're going to do just a small curve. So that kind of joins up with his leg. Yeah, and then over here we're going to draw, he's kind of like resting his arm on his body. So we're going to draw a little blob basically. Kind of looks like a jelly bean. So he's got his arm resting over his stomach. And then we draw his head. This is just an oval shape if you think of an egg. You know, when you crack an egg, you got there the yolk. Cool. And then we draw his eyes. The eyes are very simple. They're like kind of two almond shapes, like that. Yep. Cool. And then we'll draw his mouth there as well. He's kind of like just got a open mouth like that. He's just like, ooh, chilling out. Alright, so you see it's a really easy character to draw, you can't go wrong. And then basically we're going to draw to finish off this shell. So just going to draw a semicircle here, starting from his arm and ending up by his foot or leg or whatever that is. So nice curve like that. There we go, that's pretty much Gudetama chilling out in his egg shell. Now the next thing to do is colour in. It's going to be super easy because it's pretty much... Alright, and we finished colouring in our Gudetama. You can see it's super easy to colour. You really only need yellow. It's just yellow and the eggshell's white. We have added some other colours, so we've got a bit of a grey here for a bit of a shadow of the egg and a bit of a bluish grey there. Not sure if you can see it very well, but I'll put some dots in there for some texture of the eggshell, and I'll put some shading and highlights in there as well. But otherwise, super easy character to draw and to colour in as well. And you've done a wonderful job colouring in yours as well. Thanks for watching, hope you had fun drawing Gudetama, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!